Question 7. Here's a 54-inch Casablanca Nouvelle. This fan is my favorite ceiling fan of all time. This is my favorite Casablanca. Don't even ask. This fan is actually bought it from the fan shop for $515, which is a good deal for it because when they first sold this fan it was $1,500, which is a lot of money, of course. Which I got this at $515, which is a good deal. I love this whole entire fan so much. The detail of the motor housing is pretty. I love that motor housing, how the design goes. The light kit, the blades, and the blade irons, everything on this fan is beautiful. So it makes it even prettier because look there. Well, it's in teletouch, so I'm going to demonstrate the light. Here's the light at full brightness, and I'll turn it off. Start with the lowest and go up to highest setting of the light. So off, then we go, and start with fan speed 1. This fan, as you can tell, it's in teletouch, but you don't know what in teletouch. It came with a W32 wall control for it though, so you can tell it's good. Power, reverse, fan, light. So, which I did hit the fan button, hold it down to change this fan speed. So, start off on 1, which is the slowest. 1 is super slow. Speed 1 is very slow. If you look at it, it's spinning very slow. Spins a lot slower than this Hampton Bay Quick Connect right there if you're looking at it. And the Quick Connect does spin slow, but it doesn't push as much air as this fan does now. It doesn't go very fast, the Quick Connect, but it's going kind of fast for the low speed now because I modified it to go that fast. Because this is actually fast appropriate should go for the low. So here's go speed 2. It's definitely gonna go speed up the process too. Alright, speed 3. This fan is very beautiful. It's spinning just as fast as my Quick Connect right now on speed 3. Well, let's bump it up to speed 4. Sorry for the laughing in the background, that's my parents. So, yeah, you can hear the air. That's pretty powerful in speed 4 because it's moving a lot of air. Go up to speed 5. Second highest speed, of course. Here's the light, of course. Speed 5 pushes a ton of air too. And speed 6. Speed 6 moves a whole ton of air. It feels just as powerful as my Casablanca Lanai fan does on high. It doesn't spin very fast in person, but on video it looks like it's going faster. But in person it's not that very fast. Here the airflow is very strong. As you can see. We'll turn on the light. See how bright it is. Airflow. Reverse. And then we'll turn it off.